Today we're making ALHEIRA. First, we need to make the sides. We're starting with rice. Put your rice in a bowl, snap your fingers, and voila! Next, French fries. Now karate chop Mr. Potato to turn them into spicy fries. The sausage itself is usually fried, deep fried, or baked until crispy. ALHEIRA literally means garlic sausage. It's a smoked mix of meat, flour, and spice that is readily available in most stores and restaurants. On top of that, there's usually a fried egg over the sausage for protein. ALHEIRA is the name given to both the sausage and dish of Portuguese origin, and in my opinion, is one of the most savory things that has ever come out of this country. It's very, very tasty, not overly salty, and has a very deep, complex flavor. The egg adds a rich taste to the dish, and the fries and rice match this type of flavor excellently. The salad actually serves as a good palate cleanser for the next bite. This dish is literally calories on top of calories, and trust me when I say that that idea is as good as it sounds. So if that's your cup of tea, next time you're on this side of the Atlantic, I recommend you try the local ALHEIRA.